great time on the LivTours World War II tour. What I loved was we had a real Berlin local who knew Berlin like the back of her hand, and a lot of these locations are in such hideaway places that you wouldn't even know they were there unless you had somebody who really knew these special spots. We were off away from all the other tourists, and it was just amazing because there's such a rich history in Berlin. The guide was a real storyteller. I mean, she really put you in that location, in that time as she was talking. I am a World War II buff. I considered myself that myself, but even for me, I was really impressed at the level of detail. She clearly knows her stuff. I'm really glad I went for the private tour because it was just us. You know, we're right there with the guide. We can ask all the questions I wanted to ask. It felt very personable, like you're with a really knowledgeable Berlin friend who's showing you around.